To fix Cash App not letting you send money, start by checking your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds. If your balance is low, add money to your account using a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Next, verify your Cash App account by providing the required identification documents, such as your name, date of birth, and social security number. This is a one-time process that helps prevent fraud and ensures a secure transaction environment. Check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly, as a weak connection can disrupt the transaction process. Also, make sure your Cash App is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. If you are still unable to send money, check the recipient's information, including their name, email address, or phone number, to ensure it is correct. Double-check the amount you are trying to send, as entering an incorrect amount can cause the transaction to fail. Additionally, review Cash App's terms of service to ensure you are not violating any rules or restrictions. Some transactions may be flagged for review or require additional verification, which can cause delays or failures. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try restarting the Cash App or contacting Cash App support for further assistance. They can help you identify and resolve any underlying issues preventing you from sending money. It is also important to note that Cash App has daily and weekly spending limits, which can range from $250 to $7,500, depending on your account verification status. If you have reached your spending limit, you will need to wait until the limit resets or verify your account to increase your spending limit. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to resolve the issue and successfully send money using Cash App. Remember to always prioritize security and verification to ensure a smooth and successful transaction experience.